How to change the language on your Spotify. Hola everyone, I'm going to show you in this tutorial video how to change language. Even you can change it on your Spotify, you just need to follow it. Watch this video till the end. So first open your Spotify, then come to your settings. Right now here on settings you have to search for language. So if you found a language, you have just to click on it and change the language as you want. But there is many language that there is no, it doesn't here on Spotify. So what you should do if you wanna change language, even uh, for example, your language is Arabic, but you can't find it here on your Spotify. First, guys, you have to go to your settings of your device or your phone. After this, you have to go to General Management and go to Language. And for example, I want to change it to Arabic. Click Arabic right here and click down, and then your language on Spotify will change to Arabic or whatever your language is it. So that's all. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next video.